Good morning, students. Today's topic is least common multiple. Short form of this is LCM. LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest of common multiples of the numbers. For example, find first three common multiples of 4 and 6 and then find their LCM. Numbers are 4 and 6. To find out common multiples, firstly we will write the multiples of these numbers. Multiples of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48 and so on. We are to find out only first three common multiples. We will check the multiples of both the numbers and find out the common multiple from these. 4, but we don't have 4 in multiples of 6. 8, we have no 8. 12, 12. 12 is first common multiple. Next, 16 in multiples of 4 but not in multiples of 6. 20 in multiples of 4 but not in multiples of 6. 24, 24. Next common multiple is 24. Similarly, we will get third common multiple 36. Find first three common multiples of 4 and 6. So, common multiples will be 12, 24, 36 and so on. We can find out infinite multiples. Now, what is LCM? Least common multiple. Least means smallest. Smallest of these will be LCM of 4 and 6. Here least multiple is 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Firstly, we will find out multiples of both the numbers. Then we will find out the common multiples. Out of these, the smallest one will be LCM. Is this clear? As we find the LCM of two numbers, similarly we can find out LCM of three numbers also. Here the numbers are 2, 3 and 4. In order to find out LCM, we will firstly write the multiples of all the numbers. Multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3s are 6, 4s are 8, 5s are 10 and so on. Multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 4s are 12, 5s are 15, 6s are 18, 7s are 21, 8s are 24, 9s are 27, 10s are 30 and so on. Multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4s are 16, 5s are 20 and so on. Now we will find the common multiples. 2, 3, 4. We will check the multiples of one number in multiples of other two. Here it is 2, but we don't have 2 in multiples of 3 and 4. 4, we can find out 4 in multiples of 4 but not in multiples of 3. 6 in multiples of 3 also but not in multiples of 4. 8 in multiples of 2 and 4 but not in multiples of 3. 10 only in multiples of 2. 12. So first common multiple is 12. Similarly, we can find out other multiples. Here next common multiple will be 24. We are to find out only LCM. No need to find out any more multiples. The first common multiple is the least common multiple, that is 12. In case we are having 3 numbers, we will find out the multiples of all the 3 and the first common multiple will be LCM of all the 3 numbers. Next question is find LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Here 2, 3 and 5, all the 3 numbers are prime numbers. Let us see. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and so on. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 7s are 21, 8s are 24, 9s are 27, 10s are 30 and so on. Then multiples of 5. 5, 5 2s are 10, 3s are 15, 4s are 20, 5s are 25, 6s are 30, 7s are 35, 8s are 40 and so on. In this, when we find out the first common multiple, it is 30. So LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. What is difference between this sum and the earlier sums? Here all the 3 numbers are prime numbers, and keep in mind when you find out LCM of prime numbers means the numbers which have no common factor, the LCM will be product of all the 3 numbers. Let us check this. Product of all the numbers, prime numbers. This check is possible only when all the numbers are prime. Keep in mind. Here 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. We will find out their product. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Our LCM is also 30. So our answer is LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Is this clear? Thank you.